What exactly is YouTube automation, and how exactly does it work? We'll be discussing what YouTube automation is, its components, and how you can use it to create a successful online business. Beginning a YouTube automation journey is incredibly user-friendly, and you can begin your YouTube automation journey immediately. As we're discussing YouTube automation, if you have any concerns or questions throughout, please post them in the comments below. Now, let us firstly define what YouTube automation actually is. YouTube automation is a way to manage your YouTube channel as a business entity rather than as a standard creator, like a vlogger for example. It involves you running your channel without ever using a camera or showing your face in any of your videos. We'll explain how the process works momentarily, and as you may already be thinking, many different YouTubers make a lot of money from their automation channels. Some channels have been reported to generate around $100 million annually, while others are reported to have generated hundreds of millions of dollars. Safe to say, it's no secret that you can create a successful online YouTube business without having to record yourself all day long. In fact, if you adhere to the following 5 steps, you can run your YouTube automation channels completely anonymously. The first step is to conduct research and deciding on a credible video topic and title. The second aspect is actually creating the script, the words that will be used in the video. The third step is to record the voiceover for your video, which entails reading the screenplay or script into a microphone and obtaining audio for that video. Step number 4 requires the integration of visuals that will appear on the screen. You can achieve this by using video editing tools and software. Step number 5 includes creating a thumbnail, which is the small square image people click on to watch YouTube videos. You will notice when you look up videos where the channel owner is not visible in the actual videos that the clips used in the videos were not actually filmed and created by the channel owner. Instead, there is a voiceover in the background and stock material used for the graphics, yet, these same channels earn thousands of dollars utilizing this process. There are 2 approaches available as it relates to creating content for your YouTube automation efforts using the 5 steps that we previously discussed. You can manually do each step on your own, thus, writing a script, recording a voiceover, editing the video, creating the thumbnail, and posting the video all by yourself. The second approach, which most automation experts seem to prefer, is to hire freelancers on websites like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com to handle the automation production process so that you can concentrate on expanding your company and increasing revenue from your YouTube channel. On Fiverr, you can hire someone to write your script, record your voiceover, edit your video, and make a thumbnail for you. Additionally, you can monetize your faceless YouTube automation channel in over 10 different ways. For example, you can make money from advertisements that appear on your videos, through affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, print-on-demand sales of your own tangible or online products, using Super Chat, exclusive memberships, and many other opportunities as well. YouTube automation is a worthwhile investment of your time, as videos that you upload today will remain on YouTube forever and will continue to be recommended to viewers for years to come. For instance, if you released a video 3 years ago, it may still be receiving views today, therefore you may still be earning money from that video. Essentially, each video you upload to YouTube becomes a type of real estate and investment that can generate revenue repeatedly long-term. Some automation YouTubers are making between $500 and $1,000 a month from videos that were released several years ago. As another example, creators who have numerous successful channels have made between $75,000 and $100,000 per month through YouTube automation. If you're interested in learning more about the YouTube automation business model, or if you'd like additional in-depth content that can show you how to build, expand, and scale a profitable YouTube automation portfolio with various revenue streams, please let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.